Today I'm putting cork inside our high-tech reverse osmosis water dispenser to find out how well it actually works. Right now it's completely empty, so there is no water in it. I'm just pouring cork in where the tap water normally goes. So the cork is going to pass through a 3-stage filtration system. The cork is now being filtered, and all of the pure water is collected in the front storage tank. So now the cork is filtered through. I'm going to test it out and see if it actually worked. So as you can see, the cork is filtered and becomes H2O. It's pure water. Let me have a try. That's probably the only time you'll ever see me drink cork. That tastes like pure water. That's pretty good.